Hi TLC friends and family, welcome to our meal planning station. So one thing that all of our patients always ask about is meal planning. So we're going to dedicate this station to giving you different ideas about meal planning, as well as ordering something like we did this week from Freshly, so that you can look at the meal, see everything before you order it yourself. So I'm going to open the box and kind of show you what's going on. Ordering was super simple on their website. We were able to pick, I think it's a 2-day-a-week meal plan. It's a 5-day-a-week meal plan, 2 meals a day. I was also able to find a coupon code, which with all of these meal plans, you can find plenty of coupon codes. The box came, they delivered it downstairs. It came early this morning, and this is supposed to be our meals for the week. Let's see what we have here. So we're going to be getting that up in there, seeing what's happening. So it's packed really well. There's cold packs. So it looks like it could probably sit on the doorstep all day if you're not there in the morning. Nice packaging, nutrition labels. We have all kinds of meals, and we're going to sample these throughout the week and kind of give you our take on how we feel. We're going to rate them. We'll give you our rating, and we're going to let you see what's going on. So stay tuned for different recommendations, and we'll start ordering a few more of these so that you can see before you order.